We learned some facts about farm animals already. Today, let's learn about some more. This is a cow. C-O-W, cow. The sound a cow makes is moo. A group of cows is called a kine. They live in a cow shed. Cows can drink 30 to 40 gallons of water per day. Cow helps farmers to plug the farm. Oh, we have so many cows in a farm. This is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. The sound a horse makes is neigh. A group of horses is called a herd. They live in a stable. Horses can sleep while standing. Warriors and kings rode horses. This is a sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. The sound a sheep makes is baa. A group of sheep is called a flock. They live in sheep pen. Sheep have a good sense of smell. A person who herds flocks is called a shepherd. Ba, ba, ba. This is a hen. H-E-N, hen. The sound a hen makes is cluck. A group of hens is called a flock. They live in a coop. Hens can run up to 9 miles per hour. This is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. The sound a duck makes is quack. A group of ducks is called a raft. They live in ponds. Ducks have waterproof feathers. This is a goat. G-O-A-T, goat. The sound a goat makes is bleat. A group of goats is called a herd. They live in a shed. A goat is the first animal to be domesticated. Hope you had fun learning about different farm animals.
Thank you, Arju, for sharing information about farm animals. Bye.
Bye.